Alright, YouTubers, sorry for the sun glare, but here's the gauge cluster. I got it sitting upside down on my truck right now. There's tabs here that you just got to pop loose to get the front face off. The tabs, and there's several of them. I believe there's a few on this side here. See this right here? Just pop them loose. So now, this is detached from that. This is the one we took off. Right there. And here is the new one we're going to be putting up. This is super simple. You line up the thing there, right there, and then this should self-align into place. All right, we're going to remove this piece right here, little clips all the way around. It's going to lift right off, and then all of these things that you're looking at, as well as a few others that I don't think you can quite see. One there, one there, one there. I know there's at least one more. I think there's 4 of the smaller ones and 6 of the bigger ones. That's all 6. We're going to replace them with LEDs. So stay tuned. And here are our bulbs that we're going to be changing. This is what you'll find from the factory. Just a regular incandescent bulb. It's got a twist socket. It's already installed. And all you do is you just twist these out. Here's the twist socket. You pop them right out. These are why your dash is the color it is and why it is as dim as it is. The LEDs will correct that and change the color and all that good stuff. A lot of LEDs are polarity sensitive. What that means is if you put it in this way, you put your dash back in and it don't work, you got to turn it around 180 degrees and reinstall it, because it does have a positive and a negative. It's not either way. Like this, you can pop this bulb in either direction, it's going to work. The LEDs, some LEDs they're coming out with now aren't polarity sensitive, and it'll say it in the description. So 194s, PC74. These are your hazard, your check engine, blinker, and that kind of stuff. Your idiot lights, if you will. Now, when you're doing these dash lights, it has been my experience and also what I've learned in research that it is best to use these 5 SMDs, 1 on top, 4 all the way around. I guess you could get the ones that have multiples around, but you really want this light to spread outward. You don't want the kind that only have the LEDs pointing up. You want the kind that go around to illuminate, everything in your dash, all your gauges fairly accurately. So we're going to put these in. We're going to plug in the dash, and before we put everything together, and see if we have any spots that aren't that well lit up, so we can know which bulbs we might need to reverse the polarity, etc. But I just wanted to show you that's the socket. You simply plug that into that, and then you twist it in. All right. I think that looks quite a bit better. And I know it's bright sunny out. So you can't really see them. Now with this gauge bezel, I had to trim all 4 of these needles down because they were literally being pinched underneath the trim rings here. So I had to cut them down. Y'all be good. Thank you for watching. There will be a lot more content. This truck's got bukus of things wrong with it, so we're going to be going over them a little here and a little there. If you want to be informed when I place another video, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and love to have you follow me along on this journey, bringing this truck back to life.